die Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kakenhun ke Menteri ke Sarkar Jelah ni keski ke Sauterik Naiwing arajar arpau ha ke jingi kenduk jungki kila pedang ya ke Jingtyrwa ban Seng ya ke skulba ke belatip kerteng kum ke Saint Xavier University ha ke Jelah Meghalaya. Sembut Menteri yang ba ke Jelah ba Preston Densong habai keren bat kilat ke tahai kubor ulai itu ba ketenat puli puti kelawan ra ke Saint Xavier University Shillong Bil arajar arpau ha ke ba nakaliang jongka kenhun Menteri kala pedang ya ke ni ke Jingtyrwa mat ya kene ka an raw dia ka bil anra Ïatai hapo ka ying dorbar thawan ka Jelah.
Item that we discussed in the cabinet was relating to the proposal of the bill from Education Department relating to the Saint Xavier'S University Shillong Bill 2020. So after detailed discussion, the cabinet has approved the draft bill, and this bill will be placed in the coming session, which starts from tomorrow onwards. So these are the issues where we discussed today. See, that's why now, first of all, because in the bill everything is there, all the conditions is there. Once the bill is passed by the assembly, then it becomes an act. Then this so-called Saint Xavier'S University will comply as per the act. They need to comply one by one as per the act provided. Saint Xavier'S, the Saint Xavier'S, I think you know. One is the most successful institution, I should say, throughout India. That is Saint Xavier'S. One is in Calcutta they have, I think you knew it well. Then in Guwahati also they have, and then throughout India they have, even in Delhi they have. So, in fact, this Saint Xavier'S University, which because the governing body belongs to Saint Xavier'S, I think you understand the name itself of this institution is very, very famous and very, very good.
Where will the location be set up?
See, that's what. It is too early to say anything right now, as I said to you, because we have already approved the draft bill. So this will be introduced in the assembly. So we will wait, we will discuss, and then once the assembly approves, it will become an act. Then ultimately, this institution will set up their headquarters in Meghalaya. Let me just tell you, the proposal made by Saint Xavier'S University, the government referred it to the Meghalaya Private University Regulatory Board, constituted by the government of India. Why we did that, I think you remember correctly. During that time where we had a problem, that Jha University and so many university which is just for the namesake. So ultimately, government of Meghalaya has come up and appointed, constituted one regulatory board. Okay, one regulatory board, and then ultimately this application was sent to the regulatory board, and even regulatory board has strongly recommended that the bill be considered in the assembly. So as I said to you, we learned through mistakes, because we have seen it quite a number of so-called private universities. They did nothing. So now we will not allow this kind of things to happen. And as I said to you, I would like to assure you that Saint Xavier'S University is one of the most popular and famous institutions throughout.